98. 4 laps. Yes, gotcha. Here we go. 250. Justin Brown. As they come on through for the first time. In the stock car race, it would be like a 4 to 1 lap. This is where you get started. Just lights it up. Justin Brown getting very safe. They got him on here. Logan Wilson. Remember Logan in the 85. We pushed that leg across the line. We got the job done. Great to see. Here comes Trent Pickle, leading them around. And now up into second. And Logan Wilson goes on through. On this 4-lap feature, they will get a halfway momentarily. 6 laps, thank you. They will get the halfway this time. Trent Pickle. Justin Brown, he's got a nice ride going, he's in the area. Sweet. Here we go. Lap number 4 will soon be in the books. Trent Pickle, Justin Brown, Jordan Wilson. They'll go to a white flag this time. I missed something down that far side. You can see better than I can right now. And that will bring a red flag, and first aiders. And we'll get a report for you as quickly as we can.